Okay, and then showcase what's important. Now, we can do some simple formatting. For those of you that are really new to Excel, this might be just helpful to kind of click along with me if you have the opportunity to do that. On that first row that has our headers, I'm going to go ahead and click in cell A1, and using my Control-Shift-Right arrow shortcut, Control-Shift-Right arrow stops at the last non-blank column. And I'm just going to click my B and make it bold. That is actually enough formatting for Excel to recognize this is a header row. Yes, you can go ahead and make them a different color if you want to, and certainly fill it with another color if you want to. All of those things will help set apart your header row. Another thing that's helpful is to also highlight your key data. So people might be using this list to look up parts. And so if we also highlight the key data, it becomes easier to isolate that. Another really good basic formatting best practice is borders. So I like borders for readability on print. Let me go ahead and adjust my little mouse pad here. It's giving me some issues. Here we go. So if I go ahead and select this data and throw grid lines on, they're going to be here in the font group. Put my borders on. It makes it more readable in print, but if you're asking people to input data for you, putting grid lines around it is going to make it easier on them. To make it easier still, highlight those cells a particular color. So if I wanted someone to input something here, I'm just going to put input here, and you can see it carried over the formatting. I'm going to make these cells maybe shaded yellow and put grid lines around those, and asking people then if I send this worksheet out an email, put your data in the yellow cells. Because you put them on borders, it's easier to kind of relate the data to the rest of the data in a row. Those are just some basics.